This video is about finding the present value of an annuity. The question says you're offered an annuity that's going to pay you €24,000 per year for 11 years. The first payment will happen at the end of 1 year. The discount rate or the investment rate is 13%. And what's the annuity worth to you today? And what this means is you have to put a certain amount of money into a bank or some investment company. And when it grows at 13% per year, you'll be able to take 24,000 out of it for 11 years. That's what's going to fund it. Now, the €24,000 you get in 11 years' time is going to be worth a lot less than €24,000 at the end of year one. So we discount all of them to get them all to the present value. So the present value of 24,000 today, the present value is equal to 24,000 divided by 1.13. Next year, it's going to be 24,000 divided by 1.13 to the power of 2, and so on up to 24,000 divided by 1.13 to the power of 11. This is a geometric series because each term keeps increasing by this common ratio, which is 1 over 1.13. There's 11 terms. The first term is equal to 24,000 divided by that, and the common ratio is this. This is your S of n, your sum of a geometric series, and when you plug it into your calculator, you're going to get this here, 136. So this amount of money here apparently is enough, growing at 13%, to fund you 24,000 per year for 11 years. Let's have a look at the Excel. So we start off at 136, 486.59. Here we are. I grow it by 13% because I can. I'm not taking any money out till the end of the year. And then I take the 24 grand out. And it goes down to 130,229, which is my opening balance for second year. I grow it by 13% that year, take out 24 grand, and so on. And as you can see, at the end of year 11, there's 21 grand in at the start. It grows by 13%, gives me 24 exactly, and then I take it out and it's all gone. So my annuity has done the job it was intended to do. Now, one little aside before we finish. The reason it's 24,000 divided by 1.13 is because you're not going to get paid for a full year. If this question said your first payment is going to happen today, well then this series would be different. The first term would be 24,000, and then the next term would be 24,000 divided by 1.13, and then the next one will be 24,000 divided by 1.13 squared, and so on up to 1.13 to the power of 10. You're still going to have 11 terms, so 24,000. You're still going to have 11 terms, but your A would be equal to 24,000. 24, 1, 2, 3. 24,000 will be your first term instead of this. Your R would still be the same, 1.113. Okay, you get a different amount of money. Okay, I hope that helped.